Just remember, we love you.
I don't think I found a picture.
Wait, what number? What color?
The bottom.
I bring home the bacon. I give a great massage. Oh, cool. I talk all the time. Who did that?
It's true.
Somebody write that one?
I talk to myself in the mirror.
Oh my gosh, she's
You
so
did that?
No, but it's true.
I wish we could all vacation together. That's true. I chew loudly. I dated a crash test dummy. That's about right. I will hate myself in the morning. I watch Bug Zappers for fun. I look on the bright side. I sleep with the stuffed animal. Yeah, he's about as old as stuff. I can make the right decision. I try on flea collars at the pet store.
That would be for Robert.
That's Robert. I should look in the mirror when I do my hair. Who did that? Look in the mirror. I should look in the mirror when I do my hair. I could eat a horse. I watch WrestleMania. I pay attention to details. I will be a ding dong daddy. I handle conflict with great poise. I wish I were big. Who did I talk all the time?
I'm sorry.
That's the most true.
No, the massage was the most true.
Oh wait, I talk all the time is the funniest, and I give a great massage is the most true.
I was kidding.
No.
Ding dong daddy.
What is